Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing new earnings from Fiverr, even though you didn't work a single hour overnight. Sounds impossible, right? But the truth is, thousands of freelancers are quietly earning passive income on Fiverr, not by doing endless client projects, but by selling digital products that pay them again and again. And today, we're breaking down exactly how you can do that too. Before we dive in, make sure to stick around, because the strategies I'll share can turn Fiverr from a side hustle into a long-term income stream. Fiverr is known as a freelancing platform, but what many beginners don't realize is that it can also become a source of passive income when you set up your gigs the right way. Passive income doesn't mean doing nothing at all. It means creating something once and earning from it repeatedly with minimal ongoing effort. On Fiverr, this is possible through digital products, templates, presets, and done-for-you resources that buyers can download instantly. Once you upload these items, they can continue generating sales even when you're offline. One of the easiest ways to build passive income on Fiverr is by creating digital templates. These could be social media graphics, CV templates, Canva designs, Instagram presets, planners, ebook layouts, or branding kits. You create them once, upload them to your gig, and every time someone purchases, they receive the files automatically. No revisions, no meetings, no back and forth, just recurring income based on the quality of your digital product and how well you optimize your gig. Another powerful approach is selling AI-assisted products. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Midjourney make it simple to produce ebooks, prompts, starter kits, and digital bundles that help people save time. You can offer ready-made prompt packs, content calendars, caption bundles, or business starter kits, all delivered instantly. For many sellers, these products generate income even while they sleep because the process is fully automated. SEO also plays a big role in making passive income on Fiverr. By using the right keywords in your gig title and description, your products appear more often in search results. Combined with strong thumbnails and clear descriptions, buyers are more likely to purchase without messaging you first. Your goal is to make your digital product so clear, helpful, and valuable that people can confidently buy it right away. The real secret to passive income on Fiverr is building multiple digital gigs that support each other. Imagine having a resume template gig, a cover letter template gig, and a social media branding kit, each one bringing in small but steady sales. Together, they can grow into a reliable income source without increasing your daily workload. That's what makes Fiverr a powerful passive income platform when used strategically. If this video helped you understand how Fiverr can earn money for you, even when you're not working, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more freelancing and passive income tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.